And then using ASC for bottom of funnel, I think it works really well. John doesn't recommend it because it changes how the targeting strategy works.
Are you using a traffic campaign for L1, traffic campaign for L2, and sales campaign for L3? And are you using Advantage Plus as an additional L3 campaign?
Yeah, we don't typically mix in traffic too often. Sometimes we'll use it as the very top of the funnel, so you could call it L1 if you wanted to, but we do find more success by conversion optimized campaigns. That's typically best practice, but we do have some accounts, and those are particular client requests when they want to, for whatever reason, increase website traffic. Then we'll run a traffic campaign. But for the most part, we find that we get a lot of window shoppers from that, or just generally unqualified audiences.
Okay.
And then using ASC for bottom of funnel, I think it works really well. John doesn't recommend it because it changes how the targeting strategy works. Ideally, your L1, L2, L3 are very segmented and specific audiences, so you're not getting this mixed bag of results. But I find that running an ASC at the bottom of, or meant to be bottom of funnel, while running L1, L2, L3 separately works really well, specifically in a dynamic product carousel. ASC paired with DPAs work really, really well, especially when you're driving a lot of top of funnel.
Right. Okay. Follow-up question on that one. Like, for accounts with lower budget, would you recommend using a L1 traffic campaign? Let's say it's $15 per day plus Advantage Plus, which is $15 per day as well for sales, something like that.
Yeah, I don't see why that wouldn't work. If you're trying to get more, you can call it more bang for your buck, and you're trying to get a larger audience while not spending overly to get it, and you do have those budget constraints, that's worthwhile testing for sure.
Okay, cool, awesome.
I don't want you to have to go through the work to do this, but do you have an idiot's guide to like L0, L1, L2, L3? Like, from someone who, I feel like I'm listening to these guys. I used to do Facebook. I used to.